Hello and welcome to the last video of this General Academy, which will be talking about second part of how we sell, which is about how we close, how do we close the sales. And to speak about that, we will be reinforcing two important concepts that we have been mentioning throughout the Academy. First one being closed questions. There is one very efficient tool for closing sales, which is using closed questions, and not any closed questions, but the questions which are putting customers in the position where they are already choosing between the two options that are both good with you, but even more, putting them in a position where they're mentally projecting themselves to already be users of your product. So after you have explained all the features of the product and presented the benefits, you can drive the conversation forward by asking closed questions such as, would you rather spend your GV in Greece or in Brazil? Or if it is a meeting with a school, would you rather have 6 or 10 trainees? Or if it's a meeting with a student, would you rather work in a project on an NGO or in the educational project? What does that achieves for you is that customer already projects himself in a position where he is the user and he is choosing what is going to be the way he will interact with the product. Once they start answering those questions to you, this is where you have them and this is where you close the sale. But how do you close the sale? Is by using call to actions. And call to actions are essentially important because they are the ones that are moving you down the funnel. So you remember the funnel, and the sales process is not simple, but it's like a long process which has many stages. What is very important is that you always understand at which stage you are and what is the next action that you want customer to do. So if you are doing a first meeting, next thing that you want them to do is maybe to apply for an opportunity. If you are doing a class shout, next thing that you want them to do is to attend an event or to sign up on a platform. But you always need to know what is the call to action that you want to give to them. And closing the sale is possible only when you know what the call to action is and you present this call to action in a way which is easy and simple. And in every stage of the customer flow, you should have easy and simple call to action. So my call to action for you now is take a paper, draw down the sales process that you are managing, and write all of the call to actions that you should be giving in the different parts of the process. And then practice what kind of closed questions could you use in those phases to drive your customers towards the decision to purchase the product. And that's it. That's all that we prepared for the General Sales Academy, but now it is important that you practice, because without practicing, all of these things are useless. So my call to action and invitation for you is practice, because when it comes to sales, practice makes champions. Good luck.